Hey, to install apps on the Huawei Watch Fit 3, all you have to do is just to go to the Huawei Health application on your smartphone. And now when you select your device, you will have to scroll down and open this function, the App Gallery. Now when you do this, you have to wait for the loading screen, and as you can see right here, we can find some apps. Currently there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 7 apps. But I believe that in the future the Huawei is going to update this store and add other apps, like for example some games, some other navigation, or any other app, like for example the calculator that is actually missing in this smartwatch. So now if you want to download any app, like for example this game, you have to click on the install button. On your smartphone you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And now all you have to do is just to wait until this application will be like automatically transferred into your watch, and you will be able to find this game or this app at the bottom of this list. As you can see, it's already appears right here. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.